Hello everyone, this is Greg from Mystery Honey, and I'm going to do a public service announcement rather than a fact check, which, yeah, why not? So stick around if you're from the UK and like nature and the wildlife that scurries around in it. Right now, same as every year, the Woodland Trust are giving away thousands of trees to communities and all sorts of landowners and stuff like that. I hear you ask, why is this a public service announcement? Well, it's because you, person who's looking at their phone at me, God knows why, you can apply for this. So you can try and get some free trees to plant around your neighbourhood on land that you own, land that you don't own, or like in communities or any sort of group that you're part of. You can apply for it and you may get chosen and given some free trees, just like I was last year. I'll go on to that in a few minutes. Why is planting trees important, I hear you ask next? It's important because the UK woodland is just diminishing left, right and centre. The amount of trees and forests that we have in the UK is just plummeting, especially compared to what it was like 100 years ago. We've barely got anything. Now, it's important to me because I'm from the northwest of England and we only have 7.9% of our land covered by trees and forests. That is significantly lower than anywhere else in the UK. So it's really important to me that we plant trees because it's making us look bad. And it means that our wildlife have less places to call home. So last year I went to the workplace EHS meeting and I brought up that the Woodland Trust was doing this. They were giving away free trees. Now, where I work, we are trying to make a concerted effort into becoming more green. We've got big solar panels now, a massive solar farm. We're doing all sorts of stuff with the heating, electricity. All the lights are now LEDs. We're trying our best to make things more eco-friendly and reduce our carbon footprint. They agreed to do it and they got in touch with the Woodland Trust, and fortunately we were chosen as one of the people to get free trees. The EHS officer on site decided to send out an email letting people know what we were doing and looking for volunteers, and there was a stack of people that were interested in doing it. It took about half an hour to, I think, 45 minutes to plant 100 trees, which is just phenomenal, really, and it filled my heart with a lot of joy. The whole of this video, you'll have seen a link up here somewhere. Let's say here. That is the link that you use to get to the Woodland Trust's page where you can apply for these trees. Now, they have thousands that they are giving away. It doesn't mean that you will get them, but it's worth trying. Not just for our sake and the feel-good factor that we get when we're walking through forests, but also for our nature. Our nature is really struggling at the moment, and it could really do with this lifeline. So yeah, everyone just either reshare this or make your own video about it. I don't care, whatever. Just try and get the word out there. Just want to go on the Woodland Trust through this link up here. Just go on there and apply. If you're part of any society, any group, any school, any business, anything, just try and convince them to use their land to do this, so you can have like a mini forest on site. I guess it's a copse of trees really rather than a mini forest, but yeah, just do it. Please, I'm begging you. Thank you for listening to my PSA. Bye bye.